Hello guys, do you want to know the secret to grow your hair long, thick and healthy? I got a secret for you today. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to talk to you about rice water. This water is a miracle. It's been over a month now that I've been using rice water and I see a huge improvement to my hair. My hair is thicker, my hair is strong, and my hair looks so healthy. So rice water has so many vitamins and so many nutrients. It's better than hair vitamin itself, because when you consume hair vitamins, it takes maybe weeks or months to see the result, versus when you use rice water, you see the result immediately. It's like a miracle. That's why I call this water miracle, because it's like a miracle. I wish I had my hair open so I can show you how my hair grow in less than a month. It's amazing, guys. I'm telling you, try this water. And when you put rice water to your hair, it's like giving your hair food. Like that's basically that's what it is. You're giving your hair food, and the result is immediately. To see how I'm gonna mix it so you can grow your hair long, thick and healthy, keep watching. So to begin with her mix, so all you need is water, rice, and a bowl. I'll prefer to use organic rice so you get all the nutrients. So basically what do? You just pour rice in a bowl. The amount of rice is basically up to, if you have a lot of hair, you just play with the amount of the rice that you're going to put in. And then you pour water in it. And after you pour water in it, you leave this mix for about 24 hours. So that way you're 100% sure that you're getting all the nutrients and vitamins in that water. I know some people keep it for 12 hours, but I prefer keep it for 24 hours. So I'm 100% sure that I'm getting all the nutrients. And all the nutrients that you found in a rice water, you can actually find it in a good hair vitamins. But my question is, why spending so much money to buy those hair vitamins when you can actually use rice water to get vitamins? And the vitamins, it's instantly, like you use it and it works right away to your hair. So rice water contains selenium, magnesium, folic acid, thiamine, niacin, B1, B6, vitamin B, vitamin K, and the list goes on and on. So after 24 hours of leaving this water, you wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner, and after you finish, you rinse your hair with this water. And after you rinse your hair with this water, you just continue the same procedures that you do after you wash your hair. So if you want to put leave-in conditioner, that's up to you. Whatever you want to put oil after you rinse your hair with this mix, that's up to you. But do not wash it again after you rinse your hair with this water. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Gives it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to leave me a comment down below in the description box. And I will see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.